Welcome to our day 15 of our 30 days pattern drafting class. In today's class, we shall be making this dress that is currently on your screen. So this is our bodice block. First thing we're going to do is, as usual, rotate our darts from this point here to the mid shoulder. We've done it severally, so I'm just going to do it off camera and I'll be back. So I have gone ahead and rotated our darts. The next thing we're going to do now is to go on and create our style line. It starts with a curve from under the bust area. From our contour guideline, the distance between your bust and your under bust from size 8 to 18 is 3 inches. So we're just going to measure 3 inches and draw a straight line as our guide. We'll go higher at the center front by say 1 inch. And from this mark here, we're going to create a curve. So we create a curve like this. Continue to our under bust area. The curve is going to continue to the armhole area. We're going to cut it off like this. Remember, this is our under bust line. I would label it UB. And I said from size 8 to 18, it is 3 inches from your bust point. This is the bust point and this is the under bust. Okay. So we'll go on and cut it off. At this point, before we cut off, it is important to note that we're going to cinch our waist to give us a perfect fit like what the model is wearing. So we'll go on and increase the width of our dart, say by a quarter of an inch on either side of our dart. At this point here, that is the end of this dart, we're going to draw a straight line. So I have gone ahead and cut out the pieces. Now to this part, we have a dart here. The next thing we're going to do is we'll cut it off completely, like so. Go ahead and join this part of our upper bodice. July, I shall be hosting a skirt class where you should learn how to draft a basic skirt block, how to alter your basic skirt block to create an A-line skirt, how to manipulate your data, how to create volume, how to manipulate your fabric to create gathers, and ultimately how to create this tiered skirt. This class is strictly for beginners. If you're interested, do send a WhatsApp message to this number to be added to our WhatsApp group. I have gone ahead and slashed our upper bodice. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to spread it. You can spread it, say, by 2 inches or 1 inch. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to fold it. So this is what our final upper bodice looks like. Center, front, the side. You join these two together and then you create gathers around this area to fit into the curve after joining. I hope this is helpful. See you in the next tutorial.